Okay, I am ready. Is Shiba Coin good? I would not buy Shiba Coin. When Moon, we'll see. I made video. Thank you for your love. I made videos every day this week on YouTube. I would strongly recommend you check out my most recent video on YouTube. Cat Girl, I haven't paid attention to Cat Girl. Hello, everybody on YouTube. Lossless. I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. I mean, it's still honestly, guys, it's one of these things. Hello, Smiles. Where hey, what's up, Soto? Hey, SR, Everardo, hello. Um, it's one of these things where it's flat and up for me right now. Um, I don't see much reason for Bitcoin to go down or for other cryptos to go down. When do you think the market will pick up again? I mean, I'm still saying soon. Still saying soon. Hello, everybody on YouTube. Hello. AVAX, man. So AVAX reminds me of Binance in the spring. So you remember meme coin mania. So meme coin mania, Binance and PancakeSwap pumped like crazy, and people didn't care how much they bought Binance for because they were trying to get into meme coins. And I think the same thing is happening with Avalanche right now. So Avalanche is doing one of these things where, because of Wonderland, aka time, people are they need to buy Avalanche to get in on Wonderland, and so they don't care about the price of Avalanche, they care about Wonderland. So I'm still bullish on Litecoin, everybody. Yeah. Where have I been? I've been really busy with my business. It's the busiest time of the year for me. I wish that I could go live every day, but I haven't been able to lately. So yeah, mid 50s Bitcoin isn't even that bad. Yeah. And guys, again, I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm prioritizing the YouTube chat. There's no way I can keep up on TikTok. I'm very, very bullish on Litecoin. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed about my dollar amounts, about my predictions. The only thing that could change is the timing. So, and I've talked a lot about that on my YouTube video. Yeah, thank you, Brology. You need to watch my YouTube videos. Next short gain crypto on my mind. Just want 40%. Litecoin. What's up, Alex? Always look forward to your live. Too late on Gala and AVAX. I don't know anything about Gala. I did just talk about AVAX. I hope you heard that. Crow, still very bullish on Crow. I mean, I've been saying 50 cents, and it went beyond 50 cents. So ETH to 10K in the next 60 days, it's certainly within the realm of possibility, yeah. Thank you, Terry. Crypto QTum, don't know enough. Nice content on YouTube, thank you. Thoughts on Vxv, still $100. Don't buy Shiba. I would just in general stay away from Shiba Inu. Just saw a coin called Snowbank that stakes about 400,000% APY. Is that a scam? Something's got to give. Either the price is going to crash like crazy or that APY is going to go down. So if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Are we back in bull territory? We've never left bull territory. When does ADA take off? Are you still seeing $8 by the end of the year? James, $8 is still my prediction. The timing is more up in the air right now. So picked up on Glitch and Hathor. What do you think about that? I don't know anything about those. Sorry. ADA and XRP, what's my views? $8 for ADA, $8 to $10 for XRP. I don't think it's too late to buy Litecoin. We stay away from it's not Shiva, it's Shiba, by the way. My longs are printing now just before I leave for holiday in Florida. All right, nice. Thoughts on Nexus? Don't know enough, sorry. LEC NFT, I don't know what that is. Is HBAR Litecoin Vet going to be here in the next bull run? Yes, I think all of those will. Doge versus Shiba. I mean, I guess if it's between the two, I would say Shiba. Doge is making me a little bit nervous that maybe there's a possibility in my mind that that Doge peaked in May, and it's not that's for the entire cycle, but we'll see. Shall we all do petition for that coin to be listed on some exchanges? Sure. Expecting more large dips in general? No. I'm not talking about Christmas coin right now. So I'm not talking about the Christmas coin when I'm live on TikTok. So what's your prediction on Bitcoin end of this bull run? Still $200,000. The only thing, I could be flexible on the timing. When's the dip going to end? I mean, it looks like it's over. We're up $3,700 in a few days from the bottom. So maybe it's over. Time to TP on AVAX and what? I'm not sure what you're saying, Luke. What's the update on the market, Alex? I'm still bullish. I mean, what we're doing right now is we're raising the floor. The market is much healthier than it was in May. This is nothing like May. So good small cap to be in on now. I'm not a big small cap guy, but you know, there's lots of them on KuCoin, lots of KuCoin gems, FCL, VRA, Trias, I think still has more room to go up. Sushi swap price prediction. Sorry, I don't have one. In general, I'm bullish. I like platform. I am still bullish. Yes, nothing's changed. What do you think about Baby Doge? I don't know anything about Baby Doge. Telcoin, I think, is going to 10 or 20 cents. What do you think about Uplink and Efinity? Don't know anything about either of those. Sorry, Roshanak. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can keep up with this TikTok chat, but I can do better on YouTube. Thoughts on meme coins? I think they'll pump at the end. 100K end of this year or not? You put a gun in my head, I'll say yes. If not, 2022. I'm very confident about that. Yeah, I've been very confident. Yeah, Roro. I'm still bullish on Litecoin. Thoughts on VRA, MTV, and Trias? They all have. Well, VRA I used to say had 10x potential, but then it pumped. I'm not talking about that Christmas coin because I don't want to get banned on TikTok. MTV and Trias both have at least 10x potential. VChain, $1, Pancake. All right, so I'm a little nervous about Pancake Swap. I do think that, you know, when we have alt season, because we always have alt season, no matter what Bitcoin does, we're going to have an alt season at some point. And when that happens, Cake's going to pump just like everything else. But I know that it's been flat or bleeding, and I'm not very hopeful about it for the short term or medium term. Or I guess short term. Medium term, I am hopeful for it. Is it time for Bitcoin to rocket? Sure. I'm still bullish, everybody. Just so everybody knows, I'm still bullish. I would stay away from Shiba just because of that whale with the $5 billion worth of Shiba. You know, now it's probably like $3 billion. But like he transferred some around and people panicked like crazy. What happens when he sells some? Am I into NFTs? Yes, I have a BabelX. And then I bought a Bored Otter golden ticket. This is all on Salon Art. So Matic prediction, $8. Best picks for Metaverse. Oh, 2 best picks for Metaverse. Now, here's the deal. I've been thinking through my bear market buying guide, which I'm almost done with. And I'm not, like, I tried out Decentraland, and it's not a very exciting thing to do. I just... Decentraland, Axie Infinity, those games suck. I mean, let's just be honest. Like the dollar, hey, Crypto Hustler, what's up, man? The appeal to it is making money. And so I think what's going to happen is that like all these big time gaming companies, they're frothing at the mouths right now, and they're going to get in. And Axie will last, Decentraland will last, but I think a lot of the smaller ones are going to get blown out of the water. So SafeMoon's the future, okay. I feel Doge might pump TBH if it gets implemented. Yeah, maybe. So if Bitcoin peaks in January instead of December, will altcoins peak in February? Yes. Thoughts on Mana? Yeah, short-term Mana, still very bullish. The thing I just said about gaming tokens, I'd be a little bit nervous. Trias price prediction, I'll just say 10x or so. So Grayscale bought Decentraland. Hey, that's good sign. Vxv $100. Quant, man, Quant's really struggling lately, but Quant just does its own thing. I'm not afraid. I have plenty of Quant. I'll ride it when it comes, when it comes up. So when is Bitcoin and ETH going to peak from your understanding? I'm working through that. So, I mean, I've been thinking December, and, I still think for Bitcoin that it could be late December, early January, but I'm flexible on the time. I'm not as flexible on the dollar amount. I think no matter when it peaks, then what am I thinking? It's going to go around $200,000. So, and we might have a triple peak this cycle. I hate to say it like that. Watch my videos on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I made 5 videos on YouTube this week. we might legitimately have a triple peak this cycle. It would drive me crazy, but the second peak wouldn't be that significant though. WWBC Best, thank you. Always asking if you think I should take profit on my AVAX and EGLD, bought in this up and up a lot, maybe convert them to underperformers. Luke, I think so. Yeah. I mean, I did the same thing with my Solana. I took profits on Solana and I don't regret that. It's always good to be taking profits. All these people calling you Pablo are going to be the ones buying at the top and selling at the bottom. Yeah. I mean, there's like 3 people. Extended cycle starting to show more. Like 3 people have called me Pablo. It's nonsense. I will, guys, for your sake, I will always admit when I'm wrong, you know? So best exchange for lowest fees in the US, no bias, please. I mean, crypto.com has no fees for the first 30 days. So maybe something like that, you know? Thoughts on Algo, $7, ETH price prediction, 15,000. What do you think about VET going to 60 cents? I think it's possible. Thoughts on Wonderland. So I mean, the cryptocurrency is holding up very well, even though it has those insane. It's insanely inflationary. It's like that's why I don't like the U.S. dollar. You know, if time's going to hold up, I think that here's the thing with time, the bubble is going to burst and it's going to burst very dramatically, and I think that time could be the worst performer from peak to bear market bottom. So be very careful with it. I could see it dropping like 99.9% from its peak to the bear market bottom. Why don't you improve your production value? Looks like you're using Toaster for a camera. Mateo, you've got a good point. I have been thinking about buying a camera. I probably will. So should you invest in Evergrow? Sure, I don't know. I know it's a lot like Christmas Coin, or Christmas Coin is a lot like Evergrow. So that's all I know about it. Sold AVAX in November. Ouch, man. Wow. All right. I love you too, Alexis Patarides. VET or Litecoin short term, Litecoin. Do I have a mana prediction? Maybe like $15. Thoughts on Feta? I'm still thinking $50 or so. What are you going to buy for Black Friday? I'm not a big Black Friday guy. Will Veracity? Yes, it will rise. SafeMoon, I think SafeMoon will get into its all-time high. Good time to DCN to ETH, I think so. HBAR $2. Is Cosmos better than DOT? Not necessarily. I kind of hold them in a similar position. I'm holding ETH and Solana. Do you think I should get something else? Litecoin. What market makers in Wales do to the market is very cruel to retail, and all of us agree. Yes, I do. Saitama, don't know enough. Will ADA rise again? I believe so. Yes. ETH bull run prediction, 15K. Veracity, 5X or so from here. TKO prediction, I don't have one. Talked about Wonderland. Cheers, Boomerang. VET prediction, 60 reasonable, yes. Gone into Quant and ETH. What else should I hold? Litecoin. Thoughts on Alchemy Pay, don't know enough. Thoughts on SHIB, I've been saying, again, stay away from SHIB. UFO Gaming, I have not looked into it. Steve, thank you. Sold my AVAX, yeah. ETH bull run prediction, 15K. VET and Link prediction, VET $1 now. Well, more 50 cents to $1. Link $100. So, man, I have not heard of Priz. No. Is Zilliqa going to pump? I believe so. Yes, $1, $1.50 for this run. Solana long-term prediction. I mean, if you're talking about 4 years from now, I think Solana is going to be where ETH is now. Mateo, do I like your portfolio? I don't remember your question or where you put that. Elohim, okay. What's up, Elohim? Thoughts on some of these high percentage earning sites worth getting involved in the bear market? John, yeah, I think so. I mean, listen, if time does lose 99% of its value, or 99.9% of its value from the peak to the bear market bottom, and it still has those insane returns, I'll get in. Yeah. When should I take profits on all coins to be safe? Regularly. Guys, I've been taking profits. I've been taking some, not a ton, but you know, I have bills. I have my students' tuition, or my kids' tuition that I have to pay coming up in January. I've been taking profits, and I don't regret that. So crypto in 5 years, maybe, I don't know. I mean, so I think this bull run, it's going to hit all of crypto is going to hit a $10 trillion market cap. Next bull run, I'm thinking, could it do a 10x, maybe a 5 to 10x in market cap? So TKO prediction, I don't have one. Saitama's great, its own blockchain, its own wallet. Okay. December, should we take profits? Yes. Guys, those of you on TikTok, this video right here, Bitcoin, parabolic run or bearish time ahead. You see the sticker, December exit strategies. I am taking some profits in December no matter what happens. So hello, Luna girl. Are we due a Bitcoin dip on Black Friday? We had one last year, so maybe this year again, but I don't know. I think everything's oversold. So do you share how much you've invested and how much you've earned? I don't necessarily, but you'll see the dollar amounts on my different accounts if you watch all my TikToks. I mean, there's one where I shared about how much cake I have. There's another one where I showed my Robinhood account balance. So, all right, Bitcoin, ETH, Poly, ADA, ALU, and DAG. I don't know anything about ALU. That seems like a good thing, Mateo. When I saw Litecoin fall under $200, I bought it. I'm all in, Hayden, so no. Holding 3 ETH, should I hold through the bear market? I got 3 ETH for 5K, so I don't think I can get any lower than I did. Andrea, maybe sell half of it, small amount there. So ETH, should I take profits? Should I wait, please? I think you should wait. Polkadot, $200. Yep. ETH price prediction, 15K again. Yeah, I read your name. Harmony 1 predictions, maybe $1. Your mana tip has turned out great. When to exit? You should be exiting a little bit. Why not? Hey, all right, went to YouTube, but you're not answering those comments. I'm making my way through the YouTube comments. I'm sorry. I can't keep up with everyone. So why not take some profits on mana? Why not take a little bit out now? So do you think the bear market will be shorter because there's people in it? More people in it. I think it'll be a little bit shorter, but not that much shorter. Pablo Escobar, that's a compliment. Okay. All right, sorry, I have to go back. I have to go back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. Is this a good time to buy ETH? I think so, yes. Vxv, $100. What are you using for tax calculations? I've I've signed up with a company. I'll be making a video in December about it, so be on the lookout for that. Could quant be 5 figures one day? Yes. Will you say which coins you'll take profit from in December, and do you hold AMP and ZIL? I will say which coins I'm going to take profits from in December. I hold AMP. I actually don't hold any Zilliqa. And it's probably going to be some altcoins. Logic would say that it should be Bitcoin, but I'm not selling my Bitcoin. So Vxv and Kadena. All right, Vxv I think is going $100. Kadena, I would stay away from Kadena long term. Kadena might be fine short term, but their tokenomics are awful. Guys, listen to me. Kadena, do not be a long-term holder of Kadena. Their tokenomics are awful. They're awful, awful, awful. Doge increases its supply by about 4.5% every year, and Kadena is like 15%. People objecting to Doge that Doge prints 10,000 new coins a minute. Kadena's tokenomics are worse than that. So why did Bitcoin dip and rise today? I don't know. What about Crow? Yeah, I love Crow. And also, what do you think about the bottom of the bear market? What do you think will be the bottom of the bear market? I'm not sure for Crow. Lower than where it is now, I would say so. Is Chainlink good long term? Yes. Today or tomorrow, the market will pump hard. I hope you're right, Obi. XDC to $1. I don't know where XDC is right now. I think it will outperform XLM and XRP. Curve, I think that's a 10x. Have you covered quant? Yeah, I have covered quant. Bitcoin price prediction for the bear market around $15,000 or $50,000. Thoughts on Engine Coin as a metaverse play? Yeah, for right now, yes. So I'm not sure. Hey, Zlatan, what's up? Predictions on OXY, don't know enough. Very good time to buy ETH, yes. Nice to see you again. What made you start with crypto? The 2008 recession. And I know that crypto didn't exist back then, but all the fundamentals that I learned from the mistakes that we made back then, it makes sense with crypto. So, man, I'm so far behind. All right, I am sorry. For those of you on TikTok, I'm going to end the TikTok live stream. If you want to hop onto YouTube, I will continue the YouTube live stream for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to enjoy my weekend. So anyway, I'm done on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. And And yeah, I will be done on TikTok. Sorry, hop on over to YouTube. All right, I'm going to try to plow through these real quick. Mana prediction, $15, $10 to $15. Predictions on OXY. I don't know anything about predictions. Which one of your predictions do you think is most likely to happen right now? I don't have any one in particular that I'm like, I mean, something that's, I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, maybe Avalanche. I said Avalanche at $200. So he doesn't seem to be answering YouTube comments. I'm trying really hard, MKJ. Could AMP get higher than 50 cents? Sure, yeah. Engine top, I'm not sure. Higher. Could you recommend a metaverse token to invest? I mean, I'm going to keep it simple, Mana or Engine. I feel every time I take profit, it never drops below what I sold in. Then I'm on the outside. You've got to take profits, man. I'm sorry. So could quant be 5 figures one day? Yes. Take a look at something. Not right now. What are you using for tax calculations? I'm just using a software. So will you say which coins you... Yes. All right. Answered that. Oh, man. Let's see. I'm answering the same questions over again. All right. Predictions for OXY. Yeah, don't know anything about OXY. Many people, including you, have said most tokens won't survive a bear market. I have not said that. How do you measure bankruptcy risk for tokens? I sell all of them at the end of the bull run. You can't use liquidity ratios as you can for equities. Yeah. All right. Litecoin prediction by end of the year. And I'm going to say end of cycle, $1,500. Heard you talk about mana. Do you have a mana prediction? I think like, yeah, $10 to $15. Any thoughts on Xcur? I think that's at least a 10x. Still bullish on Litecoin. I'm still very, very bullish on Litecoin. Casta, no idea what that is. Glimmer or Akala, I have no idea what either of those are. It's one of those things. It's like, dude, oh hey, I'm still live on TikTok. All right, now I'm not live on TikTok. What are both of the, what are either of those? Hold Polkadot or Shell the next days? I would hold. Would possibly dead projects like NOS still pump? I have no idea. I'm wondering if some of those older ones would, but I'm not sure. Thoughts on CVO crypto 11K ETH prediction? He could be right. That's the only thing that he's less bullish on, like literally the only thing. Bullish on ZIL, even though you're not holding it. Yes, I am. Fan of Glitch Protocol. I don't know anything about it. Haka. Thoughts on Haka? So a lot of people are saying Haka has like 500x or 1000x potential. I have no idea why. I think it would be smart to hold some in case they're right, you know, but no idea. So is a 3,000 pound stake for 180 days worth on Crow for 8% cash back on future purchases and card? I don't think so, Gareth. I think that Crow is going to peak before then. And so you're probably going to want to sell some and not have to hold it in there. Curate. Don't know anything about Curate. ADA, my biggest bag, barely, and profits in Sunday swap. It's coming too late. Yeah, I would not have ADA be your biggest bag. I'm not sure what else you're saying there, Daniel. Nice to see you on Keat. HBAR bear market price. I don't think it's going to go that much lower than where it is now. Or sorry, I don't think it's going to go down as much as other cryptos. It's a lot more stable, or maybe around where it is now, or maybe a little lower. Pokedex price prediction. I'm sorry, I don't have one. I'm 20 and I got about 10K in crypto. I plan on taking profit, but would you suggest leaving most instance I'm young? I would strongly recommend that some of that be in Bitcoin and Ethereum and hold that. Yes. Since you are young. Yes. What do you think about GRT? I don't have any predictions for GRT. My friend Savio Crypto thinks it's going to $20 to $25. Illuvium, don't know enough. What do you think AVAX will top at? I've been saying $200. Maybe that's too conservative. What's the bottom for Ethereum in the bear market? Maybe like 3,000 or 2,500. Thoughts on Radix? Nope, don't have one. Hey, what's up, Boomerang? Use Dharma Exchange and fees are very low and trade now as well. All right. Sounds good. I've never heard of Dharma Exchange, but it sounds good. Oh, man. How's your business? Are you getting any sleep? I'm not sleeping very much. Nope. Yeah, Xcur is a 10x or so. VChain, still 50 cents, maybe $1. Do you think AMP could get higher 50 cents? Yes. When will be the end of the bull run? That's the big question, because I've been saying that I thought Bitcoin would peak in December and alts in January, but I'm flexible on that. I'm not as flexible on the prices. So AVAX, wait for a dip or buy now. Man, my number one rule is don't chase green candles. But AVAX, I've talked a lot about AVAX, And the thing about it is that people don't care how much they buy it for because they're using it to get in on Wonderland. And so it could do much better still. What about, yeah, GRT talked about that. Illuvium talked about that. AMP still 50 cents. Thoughts on Radix? Yeah, don't really know enough. Chili's, I'm sure Chili's will be fine. I mean, the thing that I always say about Chili's is that they essentially just make meme coins. Would you still get into Mana or Engine now? Yes. Yes, I would. I know that they've been pumping. Well, actually, let me revise that. I would wait a few days, but then get in. Yeah, VeChain 50 cents to $1, something like that. CKB and Sia Coin, don't know enough. All right, see you later, John. Hello, Mitchell. Thank you. Thoughts on Bitcetera? I don't know anything about Bitcetera. TikTok crashed and ended. No, I shut it down. Do I own a dog? No, but no, I don't. Do you like Crypto Mason? Thoughts on the market? I listen to both of you. I like Crypto Mason. Yeah. I don't know much. I don't watch a ton of his TikToks or anything, and I don't watch any of his YouTube videos, but I like him. You know, the things that I've seen him say, like people tag me in his videos a lot, and I usually agree with them. Long-term investment besides ETH and Bitcoin, Chainlink, HBAR, and BNB. Do you plan to expand your portfolio and live full-time off crypto trading? No. And the big reason why is because I have a commitment to my business and to my church. So that might sound cult-like, but there's other things that I'll be spending my time on. Any quant prediction is part of your course. I've just been saying that I think quant will have a bear market. You know, a lot of people think that it's never going to have a bear market. I think that's insane. So any tips on getting around the big spread on Voyager? No. And if you, Joseph, yeah, that really, it's really frustrating. And it's gotten to the point where I've stopped talking about Voyager nearly as much because the spread, you know, yeah, there's no way to get around. I mean, you could set limit orders. So, but there's fees everywhere. There's fees everywhere. I'm sure you've been asked this, but do you have a Crow prediction? I've been saying 50 cents, but it passed 50 cents. So maybe I'll say $1, maybe I'll say $2. Looney, yeah, everyone give me a like. Thank you. Do you think we're back on track? Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're going to go back down to 55. We'll see. We'll see. What's up, Smoke Sun? Yeah, VeChain 50 cents. Live on Saturday. Abe, yes, I am. Hello. When do you think the markets will be doing these next couple weeks? I've said, and I'm sticking with this, we have 10 days left in November. I think we will see a new all-time high in November. If not, then December. I'd be much more confident about that. So CKB, I don't know anything about CKB. Vxv 10x, I believe so. I have Dharma, the Polygon wallet has a zero network fee. I bought Telcoin on it. Okay, Dharma. A lot of you talking about Dharma. That sounds. I'll check that out. What do you think about BEP20 and ERC2 bridges to switch tokens to different smart chains? I have a lot of different BEP20 tokens, and I don't mind. You know, those aren't like actual. Like I have like Ethereum BEP20, for example, or Doge BEP20. And that's not actual Ethereum or actual Doge. It's pegged to it, and it's fine. It's essentially like owning, but you can't stake it. That's the only thing. Can you explain how to buy on KuCoin? You got to transfer. Barry, if you're in the United States, you've got to transfer. Got to transfer out of it. Yeah, Chili's, but etc. Don't know enough. All right, Cake update. I'm a little nervous about Cake. So here's the thing that I think is going to happen with Cake. I don't think it's going to pump that much. And even let's say we see new all-time highs with Bitcoin, and I think it's going to lag behind. But then at the end, you know, in alt season, I think it will pump. And so, but I'm thinking about taking some money off the table with Cake and putting it elsewhere. Still believe Theta will do $50 in January. I believe Theta will do $50. I'm more flexible on the date. I am entertaining the possibility that there's going to be an extended cycle. So Rose is a good coin. Okay, I've never heard of it. Would you hold Mana or Engine in the bear market or sell? I would sell. Can we hit 85K Bitcoin this month? I would say it's seeming less likely. So my guess would be no, but trust me, anything is possible. So see you later, Jay. Thoughts on VeChain? Yeah, I talked a lot about VeChain already. Weatherman said Hedera to $19 and will overrun Ethereum. I disagree. Thoughts on BitBoy? Yeah, I don't like BitBoy. I can't stand him. Do you own stock or do any day trading? I don't do day trading. I do own some stock. Yeah, and I'll own a lot more stock in the bear market. See plan-based price prediction at 98K end of November was on floor model rather than stock to flow. Yes, I've known that for months. Yeah. What religion do I practice? Christianity. Do you look at Canadian-centric exchanges? No, I don't. Interesting about Wealth Simple. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. Don't understand how Bitcoins can be lucrative if you constantly take profits. Most people aren't taking profits. I don't know. Yeah, probably only passed 50 cents because of the Lakers Arena stuff. Yeah, and I sold some of my crypto.com because of that. So some of my Crow. Let's see Crow here. Oh, wow, it's still holding up. All right. What exchange would you use instead of Voyager? So, I mean, I've been getting into KuCoin lately, crypto.com for the first 30 days at least. So, I don't know. Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap. Quant still bear market. How low do you think it will go? No idea. No idea. I'm sorry. I wish I could say something and just throw out a number, but I'm not going to do that. I think HBAR will be a good long-term hold. Yes. XDC will outperform XLM and XRP on the way up. I don't have a price prediction. Didn't you say we'll dip really hard in November, some win throughout the month? If Bitcoin peaks, I mean, I think December is going to be a great month. But if Bitcoin has a peak and then a crash, like if it has a blow off top, yeah, then it will dip. Everyone calling you out when the market was down bad. Not everyone. It's just a few. It was a vocal minority. I was really actually blown away by the amount of people who were complimentary. So is VET a long-term hold? No. I think VET's going to dip more than 90% in the bear market. Is VXV a long-term hold? I would also say no to that. Do you have a lot of cake? I ain't talking about crypto, okay? No, but the crypto cake I do. Watch CVO Crypto's KuCoin video we made in the last 2 weeks. There we go. Do that. Yes, please. Is Shiba going up? Shiba will go up. I just don't think it's going to go up all that much higher. Well, no, I mean, that's not that. Let me take that back. I do have a prediction of 0.0002, but I'm less confident about that prediction than anything else. 85K by December. For Bitcoin, my guess would be yes. So, and if we have a blow off top, I mean, we are still on track, believe it or not. I mean, look up Tech Dev on Twitter. He lines up the 2021 bull run with 2017, and we're lining up very well. So, Phantom, bullish, no price predictions. Why is AVAX rising? It's because of Wonderland. Do you think that HBAR is the Bitcoin on the Hedera hash graph? I think it could be similar, which is why I hold HBAR long term. Can you live off of staking? Stable coins, yes. Other cryptocurrencies, it just depends. ADA prediction, $8. I thought you were a Buddhist. No, I'm not a Buddhist. Nope. I got into an intense argument, not an argument, and it wasn't even that intense, so never mind. I got into a conversation with a Hindu guy yesterday. He was trying to convince me that Christianity is kind of like wrapped up within Hinduism. And I was like, whatever. So Joe thoughts, don't know anything about Joe. Sorry. How do you feel about Crypto Savvy? I'm not familiar. Any VXV prediction, $100. Dent price prediction, I'm sorry, I don't have one. Robinhood should have 0 fees. So I don't like Robinhood, but the gap is not that. I think the bid ask is not that far apart. So yep, quant's too unpredictable. Cheers to you, Boomerang. Yep, Phantom Dent. Yep. I know you're bullish on Litecoin, but can you explain what trends you are seeing on the charts? Man, no, I can't, because I've made 2 TikToks about that. One is posted on my profile. So I'm sorry. I'm just going to have to skip on that one. What long-term investment do you recommend besides ETH and Bitcoin? Alibaba.com. Oh, wait. I mean, I answered that already. But I'm serious about Alibaba. But HBAR, Binance, and Chainlink. I never doubted your thoughts when the market dropped a little. Thank you. It's good that this happened. Yeah. I mean, guys, the big thing that I'm seeing with illiquid supply is that we keep raising this floor. As long as that illiquid supply keeps becoming more and more, that the supply keeps becoming more and more illiquid, the floor price, a price that will never go below, will keep rising. So yeah, every time Bitcoin moves, like Litecoin typically 5 to 10x. Yeah, again, wait until we have a confirmed breakthrough Bitcoin's all-time high. Litecoin's going to pump like crazy. Staying Litecoin 7x early next year, I could see it, yeah. So 180K or so end of December, still on track. The dollar amount, yes. The time, I would say maybe not, maybe not, you know? So if you're in it for short-term gains, I know that's a miserable feeling, but like the thing that I'm confident about is that we have not come anywhere near a peak for Bitcoin and for altcoins as well. And so when will Bitcoin peak? When will there be a bear market? I mean, I'll still stick with late December, maybe early January for Bitcoin, or a delay of a month or so, honestly. But what if it's May? What if it's September? So, but the dollar amount is still the same. EOS future. I don't know. That's one that I could see maybe dying. You still think it's doing that? Merity. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just bought more quant, hoping it doesn't go too low in bear market, but don't definitely sell a third of it. Yeah, sure. Do you use trading bots? I have a trading bot. It's not doing very well. What's your opinion on hodlers? I am a hodler, so thumbs up. They say Robinhood is about to get NFTs. Okay. That'll be interesting. Do you like Trios or GLCH? Trios, yes. Market cap's still really small. How do you feel about the Blockchain Boy? Love Blockchain Boy. Blockchain Boy is my boy. I'm going to try to reach out to him in a few months. Just want to, seriously, legitimately, I'm going to try to just have dinner with him. And I'm going to encourage him with a couple things. He's young, and I don't want him to make the same mistakes that I made when I was young, and I came into a lot of money with my business. So thank you, Looney Luna. Yes. What's the reason behind your sentiment on Baba Baba? Their revenue has increased like 4x over the last few years, and their stock price is the same. Pretty simple, but do you see Theta surviving crypto winter? Yes. Price prediction, I don't have one in 2025. I mean, 5-10x from this year's peak or this cycle's peak. Do you think there will be another correction? I would guess no. Suggest me a 5x, 10x coin. Litecoin. You do realize you're a goat in the crypto community, right? I'm legitimately thinking, people there's still, sure, there's a handful of people who are like, World War Bitcoin, he's my favorite, but nah. Still waiting for your announcement for the Weeklet podcast you were starting. Ha, Richard. I'm not, I don't know much about podcasts. I mean, I know I could easily create a podcast. The big thing that I'm curious about is like, would I get sponsors right away? I'm sorry, I'm not willing to try to build up another thing for the long term, or, and not make any money off of it unless it's right away. So I hate to say it like that, but that's legit right now. That's where it's at. So you're confident quant will be here in 5 years? Yes. What are these? Oh, thank you, Ruben and Boomerang. Thank you. Gift this in HBAR to your kids. Cheers for all you do. Thank you. I will specifically buy $10 worth of HBAR and not sell it. Let's see. I think he mentioned Litecoin. Yeah, next bump Litecoin would 450. Yeah, perhaps. Yeah. Caroline, why Litecoin? Check out my TikTok, World War Bitcoin. I've made 2 videos on that. The Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. If you understand very basic things in charting, and look at the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart on tradingview.com, and then look at the Dogecoin to Bitcoin chart. Litecoin's not going to do exactly like Dogecoin because of the Elon Musk stuff, but it's gonna be similar. Could you look at the Woo trade chart? Woo crypto. So I know nothing about Woo, by the way, but Andrea, I will do it for you. Woo Network. And I'll answer price prediction for Chainlink, $100. When do I think? Alt season. So I'm going to stick with January for now. So Woo has done very well over the last year, 3 cents to $1.42. Not sure what to make of this other than, let's see the market cap. Market cap 25 million trading volume. Market cap 803 million. Wow, that's a bigger market cap than I would have thought. Fully diluted market cap. So why the big difference between the current market cap and the fully diluted market cap? I would look up the tokenomics because this was a major red flag for me with Kadena. And so it's the same thing here where I want to know why there's that big difference in the market cap versus the fully diluted market cap. That's all I'm going to say for now. So yeah, Looney Luna, yes. Thank you, Ruben. What's your business? It's grocery distribution, which somebody on TikTok really annoyed me and said, so it sounds like you're what's it called? One of those people who goes to the store and picks up orders for people and then delivers it to them. And I was like, that kind of annoyed me. You know, I once had a warehouse, a 6,000 square foot warehouse with 25 employees, and now I'm down to 1 because I just wasn't happy. And so whatever, man, you know, haters. Enjoyed your last video. This cycle is getting unpredictable. AZTV, thank you. Maybe it is. It's one of those things that all of a sudden something could happen and we'd be like, yep, this cycle is actually very predictable. So has anyone ever asked you for a selfie? No one has noticed me in public. You know, one day maybe. I'm sure one day I'll go to like a Bitcoin conference and there'll be people who are like, hey, World War Bitcoin. Do you agree if we just triple or double in value in a short period of time, it's time to sell everything, including Bitcoin? I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I hate to sound like a broken record or whatever, but if you want to sell your Bitcoin, then sure, yeah, go ahead and do it. In a short period of time, yes. I mean, because we're gonna come back down to earth. That's just what things happen. What happens with things when it goes along. So, how's your bear market guide going? It's going well. I'm about 3/4 of the way through. My goal is 25 videos, and I'm about 3/4 of the way through it. 25 videos before I launch it, and then I will continue adding videos. I'm toying with the idea of just giving it away. I want to see how giving it away, but then like maybe accepting a donation or something like that. If I end up not doing that and still charging $27, please don't hate me. So with Bitcoin being such a massive influence on altcoins pricing, is it possible that when Bitcoin crashes, it will pull alts down with it canceling out alt season? I think that's very unlikely, Chris. Because it's not going to, I think when people picture a crash for Bitcoin, they picture like a 75% crash within a few weeks. And that's just not how it happens. I mean, it will have like a blow off and then a drop down and then a like recovery bounce. And that recovery bounce will be strong enough to convince some people that we're not over yet. So we'll see. Just keep chugging along, hodl, yes. Do you dabble in options trading at all? Yes, I do, yeah. And I bought some Bitcoin correlated stocks, some options. So Litecoin had a pump recently, yep. You're welcome, Caroline. F all the BS, thank you. Kindly check on QANX. Don't know anything about it, but I will again look at that market cap and the fully diluted market cap, and we'll see about that. ENS is going to be big due to name simplifying. Okay. Anything on Santa? I think Santa will still pump. I think there's going to be a meme coin season. Meme coins just do this. And I know it's frustrating, but they do this. They have an initial dump. And I thought it would go higher before dumping, but wow, this is interesting. This is all time. Man, that's been rough. And that market cap in comparison to fully diluted. What's going on here? There's something up with this cryptocurrency. I have no idea what it is, but why is this? CMC team has not verified the, oh, all right. No verification of the market cap. I have no idea what to say about this. I have no idea. Decabas, you 1,000% recognize me and ask for a picture. You know, the first person who recognizes me in public, I will ask them for a picture. So, yeah, ENS is due. So, all right, Aftermost, as far as Santa is concerned, I have not sold any of my Santa, and I expect to sell it in profit. I'll say that. If you go to Bitcoin conference, for sure, people will notice you. Yeah, I'll go someday. What is grocery distribution? I am a middleman. I order wholesale and, and I distribute all over the country and a little bit in Canada and Mexico. So can you check Gala to see if there's potential there? Bought at 16.16. I mean, guys, there's potential for everything. There's going to be a time, everything's a meme coin. There's going to be a time when it's like everything is meme coin season except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like it won't matter about the fundamentals. Oh my goodness. Don't buy this right now. Don't buy this right now. Wait a little bit. So look at this. Look at September. So it pumped massively, and then look at how long it traded sideways. I would expect something similar to happen here. So, yeah, trading volume is amazing though. So there's that. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. OB, you sent me the Bitcoin chart on Instagram. Sorry. All right. I will check that out after this live stream. Hello, Bob. Don't give it away. Time is valuable. We'll see. Christy, the reason why, there was something that I was wrestling through earlier this week. Let's just say that I whiff. I don't think I'm going to whiff, but let's say that I just flat out whiff on everything moving forward. I'm just going to give it away. But I don't think I'm going to whiff. So if I do whiff though, I'm giving it away. If it don't matter what you do for a living, you're doing it for your family, nothing else matters. All right. Yeah, that's right. I sent you. All right. Let's see. Make WWBC shirts. Yeah, maybe eventually. You should charge $27 for all your hard work. Thank you. All right. You know what? I mean, again, I'm still saying if I whiff, I can't see it. And you guys know, you've been watching my channel, illiquid supply. So I bet that Mara or Riot was one of your Bitcoin related stock purchases. It was Marathon. Yeah. Look into DPW, just bought 16 million in Bitcoin miners. Okay. All right. Sorry. I'm going to stop looking into random cryptocurrencies or stocks. So do you think SLP will wake up and prediction 10x at least? Yes. Not sure what everyone's asking for your business. That's like asking how much. Mitchell, I'm okay talking about my business. I'm not okay talking about my bank. Actually, I mean, I don't have much in the bank. I did a video talking about how at one point I had $54 in the bank. It's like, how much crypto do I have though? That's the thing. EGLD. So I looked up Elrond. I looked up their tokenomics because I've heard and I've read that their tokenomics are amazing and they're good. I think I was probably hyping it up a little too much. So, it's flat and they burn. Now, here's another example. I am going to look this one up. So EGLD, let's look at fully diluted market cap. See, this is more acceptable here. $7 billion market cap versus $11 billion fully diluted market cap. And so there was one thing I didn't like about Elrond, and it's the team distribution. The team gets 19% of their tokens, but once that's over, which is going to happen in a couple years, then it's fine. It's going to be fine. So Riot should pump on Monday if things keep going. Yep, and Marathon. So XYO 20 cents or so. IOTEX don't know enough. I'm going to the States in January. If I see you, I'm asking for a selfie. I live in the middle of the country and you are going to the coasts, Mitchell. So good luck. When should I get rid of my Doge? Alt season. When you see alt season, and you will know it's alt season when you see it, around that time is when you should get rid of your Doge. Gala is going back down to 26 cents and then back up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Monster. Hello. Late to the stream. What's whiff? If I just like completely miss on where I think things are going, that's what that means. I whiff on it. It's like taking a swing and missing it completely. So, gotta make some merch. Wallex people. Wallex. What is that? Don't worry, you can pick it up later. Yeah, not too late to post some questions. Still bullish on Litecoin. Yep, Ruben, I'm still very bullish on Litecoin. BSC win, microcap with a disruptive concept, great ROI. I'm done checking out cryptocurrencies right now. Don't mean to look in why. Okay, yeah. Might be a good stock in the future. Check it out sometime and let me know what you think. Later, of course, not now. Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you, AZTV. ZIL or AMP, I'd say How about Zilliqa? I don't know. I mean, I'm bullish on both. I live in Kansas. I'm not in Nebraska. No. But Astmos, Crypto Weatherman, lives in Kansas City, Missouri, and I have a friend who just had a baby who lives in Kansas, and so I'm thinking about making a trip out to hang out with Crypto Weatherman, and to see my friend and his new baby. So, was trying to share some alpha with you. All right, alpha, yeah. Is SLP a meme coin? Oh, name with a W in front of it because you're a. Oh, okay. Thanks. Omaha, Russell. Okay. All right. Is SLP a meme coin? No. I don't know its fundamentals. Maybe it's gaming. I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, I'm going to run for today. My wife is preparing an early dinner, and I had an exhausting week. It was insane. It was so tiring. So I'll be back on Monday. Yeah, Crypto Weatherman's a cool dude. Would you suggest investing in Trios now? Yes. Apex on AVAX is only meme coin I hold. I'm like 10 to 15 minutes away from nice. All right. You're welcome. Let's see. Favorite football and basketball team. You might see a theme here. New England Patriots and Boston Celtics. And if you're talking about real football, I'd say Manchester City. I would not say Manchester. I declare Manchester City. So, all right. You're welcome. Thank you. All right. SLP is connected to Axie. Okay. I'm going to see if there's any reactions to my football and basketball and real football. Thank you, Raphael. All right. Good night from Great Britain. Hello from the United States. All right. Thank you all. Mac Jones. Yes, sir. I am originally from the Massachusetts area, so not anymore.